What is your name?
My name is Emma.
How old are you?
I am 19 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from USA.
What do you do?
I am a college student.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading books and listening music.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook. A little.
What do you do for a living?
I am software engineer.
What should we order?
I would like pizza.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I like coffee more.
What time do you usually sleep?
I usually sleep at 11 p.m.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Which country do you want to visit?
I want to visit South Korea.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch videos and chat with friends.
Do you like animals?
Yes, I love rabbits.
What is your dream?
My dream is to become successful.
Do you love watching TV?
Yes, I quite enjoy watching TV.
What is your favorite subject?
Yes, I enjoy rainy days.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is cold coffee.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance. A little.
What is your favorite app?
I like Instagram.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I can dance. A little.
What makes you happy?
Reading books makes me happy.
Which sport do you like?
I like badminton.
Do you enjoy shopping?
Yes, I love shopping.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
What is your favorite singer?
My favorite singer is Taylor Swift.
Do you like watching K-dramas?
Yes, I watch them a lot.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is cake.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim very well.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you like taking selfies?
Yes, I love taking selfies.
What do you usually do after school?
I usually relax and use my phone.
Which city do you want to live in?
I want to live in Chicago.
Are you good at cooking?
Not really, but I am learning.
Do you like late night talks?
Yes, they are my favorite.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is Minecraft.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy food.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you enjoy listening to music at night?
Yes, it helps me relax.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a panda.
Can you play any instrument?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
What do you do when you are free?
I spend time with my family.
Do you like studying English?
Yes, it is very interesting.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite flavor is vanilla.
What is your favorite cartoon?
My favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love the beach.
What is your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is chips.
What is your favorite phone brand?
I don't have any favorite brand.
What is your favorite chocolate?
My favorite chocolate is Kit Kat.
Do you enjoy long drives?
Yes, long drives are relaxing.
What is your favorite social media app?
My favorite app is TikTok.
Can you sing well?
Not perfectly, but I enjoy singing.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, good surprises make me happy.
What is your favorite ice cream topping?
I love chocolate syrup on ice cream.
Do you like watching the stars at night?
Yes, it feels peaceful.
Do you enjoy shopping online?
Yes, online shopping is fun.
What is your favorite type of weather?
I like cool and cloudy weather.
Can you stay up all night?
Sometimes, especially on weekends.
Do you like surprises on your birthday?
Yes, birthday surprises are exciting.
What is your favorite thing to do with friends?
I like eating out and talking with friends. Do you enjoy late night music? Yes, it feels relaxing and calming.
What is your favorite mobile game?
I don't play any mobile games.
Do you like wearing hoodies?
Yes, hoodies are very comfortable.
What is your favorite holiday destination?
I want to visit the Maldives.
Do you like rainy nights?
Yes, they feel very cozy.
What is your favorite perfume smell?
I like sweet floral perfumes.
Can you cook noodles?
Yes, noodles are easy to cook.
What is your favorite thing about weekends?
I can relax and sleep more.
Do you like matching outfits with friends?
Yes, it looks cute in photos.
What kind of movies do you enjoy?
I enjoy romantic and comedy movies.
What is your favorite place to relax?
I like relaxing in my room.
Do you enjoy eating street food?
Yes, street food is delicious.
What is your favorite juice?
My favorite juice is orange juice.
Do you like watching Instagram?
Yes, I watch Instagram every day.
Can you make coffee?
Yes, I can make good coffee.
What do you usually do in the morning?
I check my phone and eat breakfast.
Do you enjoy spending time alone sometimes?
Yes, it helps me relax and think.
Do you enjoy video calls?
Yes, especially with friends.
What is your favorite kind of cake?
My favorite cake is red velvet.
Do you like wearing sneakers?
Yes, sneakers are stylish and comfy.
What is your favorite school memory?
Laughing with friends during lunch break.
What kind of weather makes you sleepy?
Rainy weather makes me sleepy.
Do you like watching the rain?
Yes, it feels calming.
What is your favorite candy?
My favorite candy is mint.
What is your favorite breakfast?
I like pancakes for breakfast.
What is your favorite thing to buy?
I love buying clothes and accessories.
Do you enjoy watching sunsets with music?
Yes, it feels really peaceful.
Do you like reading Books.
Yes, I do like reading books.